What's up guys, it's Kelly and today we're doing another random Thursday upload video? I don't know. So we are sitting here at my desk where I paint my nails and do my makeup and stuff, and actually I moved all my furniture, which I said recently, and you guys can see my nail polish tower now, so that's kind of a cool little thing. But anyway, so what we're gonna do today is be a little crazy. I got some Elmer's glue. You guys already know what we're making. We're making nail polish slime. And it might be a huge fail. I've never tried this before, but I have enough supplies to try multiple times. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got my camera right here, which I'm gonna turn on right now. So I got clear glue, I got baking soda, I got Walmart brand saline solution, very important to be frugal, and I got some nail polish. This is LVX Narcissist. It's just like a really pretty crazy looking color, and I feel like it would make nice nail polish slime. So that's what we're gonna do. I've never made this before. I have absolutely never made slime, and I'm not even 100% sure what it's supposed to like feel like because I've never played with it before. So this is just gonna be a whole learning experience. But on Amazon, when you buy Elmer's glue, it tells you how to do it. So the first step is to mix together 5 ounces of Elmer's clear school glue and half a tablespoon of baking soda in a large bowl. And I have a large bowl right here, which I also bought just for this because I didn't want to use any of my like kitchen bowls. Okay, this kind of looks like water. All right, let's just pour it in. What? Ooh. You can't even really see it in here. So this is 5 ounces of clear glue. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this slime once it's over. You know what I really wanted to do? I wanted to do Galaxy Gang slime. But maybe if I succeed at this, maybe I'll get myself another bottle. I don't actually have any extra bottles of my Starly collaboration, but I should get some. How am I supposed to get all of this out? Did I get enough of this out? Can I just do the gist of it? This is fine. This is good enough. We're gonna just do that. So that's the slime. No, that's not the slime. That's just the glue. And then my baking soda, which I also got brand new. But yeah, once I succeed at this, I'll make Galaxy Gang nail polish slime. Half a tablespoon of baking soda. We're gonna be exact here, okay? Look at that, half a tablespoon. In, done. Now we have our slime. All right, I'm gonna mix it together with this. This is all mixed together. I don't know at which point I should add my nail polish because the instructions, sorry, I'm on a busy street, you guys already know that. The instructions aren't for nail polish slime, they're just for regular life slime. But okay, maybe it says like to add color or something. Okay, add your choice of glitter glue to customize color. So I'm not gonna use glitter glue, I'm gonna use nail polish. Let's see if this works. Has anybody else ever made this? And if you're like watching me right now and cringing because I'm about to destroy this, I don't know, that's kind of funny then. All right, let's pour this in. Look at that color. I don't know if I should use 2 actually. I actually don't know how much of this color I have, because it's very pretty and I've used a lot of it before. Maybe I'll mix it, and if I feel like it needs more, I'll add another color. I don't know why it's like dripping out like this. I feel like it should come out a lot faster. Are you guys liking these random video uploads? Maybe I'll put a poll up. You guys know how much I like the polls. Maybe I'll let this sit upside down for a little bit. Oh man, my room's starting to smell heavily of nail polish. Not that it doesn't always smell heavily of nail polish, let's be realistic. We're just gonna put this upside down, and I'm gonna do some stirring and we're gonna see what this looks like. Oh man, this is actually really pretty. When I stir it, it kind of dulls out. You see how this is no longer like a pretty duochrome? It's like now it's just kind of a, well, it's still there. I don't know, I wish I had some glitter. I have some cosmetic glitter. Should I add that? Maybe I should add some cosmetic glitter. All right, hold on, pause. Okay, guys, just had a better idea. Are you ready for this? We're gonna use the What's Up Nails flakies, okay? That's what this is. Oh man, it smells so crazy over here. This is the lipstick flakies. Okay, we're gonna add those. Oh my god, have I never used this one before? Well, I'm about to use it now. These are super expensive too, so maybe I shouldn't use all of it. Dang, I should have put that in focus. Do you guys see this amazingness? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Does anybody else, when you use these, they're just like, oh my god, they just like get everywhere. Look at this. This is insane. This flaky addition was a good idea. Should I add more of this nail polish? It's been upside down for a couple minutes now. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Let's talk about flaky slime because this looks beautiful. If I succeed at this, this is gonna be just the most random short video ever. Wow, that's a lot of nail polish that I missed before. All right, I think we're good now. Like, I can't believe that that's how much came out, like, since I flipped it upside down. Okay, let's talk about how beautiful this looks. It's already starting to get stuck together, and I didn't even add any of the contact solution. But already, oh god, this is so potent. If you guys do this, if I succeed at this, and I recommend doing it, which honestly, I don't know if I do, I would say 100% do this in a well-ventilated area, because I feel like all the little nail polish balls are in here. Okay, that's fine. I'll get them later. It says to add a tablespoon of the contact solution, but the way that I've seen people make slime before, because, you know, everybody watches slime videos, I see them just like pour a little bit by a little bit until it just gets to be enough, so I think I'm gonna do that instead. Ooh, I got it everywhere. Alright, so just poured a little bit in. And I know at some point I gotta stick my hands in here. And I'm always worried, you know what, when I watch these slime videos, I'm like, how are you not getting this dye all over your hands? You know what I mean? So I'm pretty certain that when I do this, I'm just gonna stain my hands forever. Okay, add a little bit more. This is kind of gross. Okay, I guess now's the point where I have to start doing it with my hands. Okay, it's not so bad. But some of it's super sticky. I don't know what slime's supposed to feel like. Why did I do this? Ugh. Okay. I don't have a way of touching this. This is what I'm doing. Just adding a couple more drops in. Okay, okay, it stopped being sticky and it's actually coming off my hands now. Okay. Alright guys, I think we did this. Is everybody just watching this in disbelief? Like, what are you doing? Ugh, ugh, it's kind of grossly sticky. Maybe I need a little bit more. I don't know, because it's like, sometimes it's not sticky, but sometimes it is. I'm just gonna put a little drop more in. It's fine, it's fine, we're gonna be fine. Oh man, I could do some like ASMR videos with this. Okay, let's move this bowl out of the way. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. Here's the slime. It's making the cool noises that it makes. Here's, I'm gonna pull out the little balls. So these were like the mixing balls that came in the polish. There's definitely a second one. Oh my god, it makes the popping noises too. We're about to have like a minute and a half of just ASMR at the end of this video. Okay, so here's the little balls, got them, throwing them out. And then, look at this. Oh my god, listen to these sounds. I've never touched slime before, but I get the craze now. I get it. Oh my god, this is so cool. It smells heavily of nail polish though. But like, you can see all the little flakes in here. Alright, you guys ready for the recipe? Here's the recipe that I did to create this perfect slime. And this was literally my first try ever making slime ever, so either I'm really good or this is super easy and you guys are probably just laughing at me. Okay, so it was 5 ounces of Elmer's glue, although I didn't use the whole 5 ounces because as you can see, there's still a little bit left. Then I used half a tablespoon of baking soda. My hands smell like nail polish. But like not in a good way, it's like too much nail polish. And then I poured in a full bottle of nail polish and some flakies from What's Up Nails. Both of the products that I used are fairly expensive, so I don't recommend doing that. I would recommend using drugstore polish because that's cheaper. I love this popping noise. And then I poured in saline solution until it gave me this consistency. Alright, well my camera is overheating anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below if you're gonna make this slime, or if you're into slime, or if you hate slime, or if it's Whole trend just needs to die. And that's it, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Fun fact, this is my first time ever playing with slime. I already said that a million times, but I don't really have a fun fact for today, so that's it. Alright, bye!